Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Harvester, an OSINT reconnaissance tool used by cybersecurity professionals around the world. We're demonstrating everything today using the ultimate USB v2.1, our complete cybersecurity and pen testing toolkit that boots directly into Kali Linux, as well as 50 other live and portable environments. If you'd like to follow along with your own professional USB, check out bootable.usbs.com. The product is tagged in this video, and there's a link in the description. So, what exactly is OSINT? It stands for Open Source Intelligence, information anyone can discover publicly across the internet. No hacking required. And that's where the Harvester comes in. It collects public intel like email addresses, subdomains, DNS records, IP relationships, employee names, and usernames. Attackers can use this to plan real attacks, but defenders use it to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Before we begin, only scan systems you are authorized to test. Unauthorized reconnaissance is illegal. Let's begin with the help command to explore our toolset, the Harvester-H. Here we see supported search engines, output formats, DNS options, and more. The Harvester is modular. We can mix and match data sources to expand our results. Section 1, a basic recon scan. Let's run our first scan against example.com. The Harvester-D example.com-B Bing. We specify -D, the target domain, -B, the search engine. Once the scan completes, we see that there are no results, but only a rookie would stop here. We will simply broaden our scope and add some more source domains for the hunt. Here we add on DuckDuckGo and CRTSH, which is a certificate validation source. This time we scratched the surface and discovered 4 hosts, but I think we can still do better, a lot better. So now let's tell the Harvester to pull from all available sources. The Harvester-D example.com-B all. There we go. Now we're getting a flood of useful intelligence. In this expanded query, the Harvester discovered 55 email addresses, 38 IP addresses, 13 autonomous system numbers. These map infrastructure to regional internet providers. 3 interesting URLs that could lead to logins or exposed panels. And over 23,107 discovered hosts. That's an enormous attack surface, especially for a domain we barely saw any info on a moment ago. This is a perfect example of what OSINT is all about. We aren't breaking into anything, we're simply revealing what the internet already knows about a target. When your first scans return little or nothing, don't assume the investigation is over. Just expand the search and suddenly the picture becomes a lot clearer. Saving reports. We need clean reporting for pen test deliverables. Let's export everything. The Harvester-D example.com-B all -F example-report. This gives us a text-based results file, an HTML report that organizes the findings visually. This is perfect for security assessments, screenshots, and client documentation. DNS resolution and virtual hosts. Next, let's verify DNS and identify inferred host names. The Harvester-D example.com-B all -VVVV. The extra V flags increase verbosity, showing DNS lookups, IP responses, and host relationships. From here, we can begin mapping network architecture. Which hosts share the same IP? Are multiple services running internally? Is there an exposed VPN or mail server? DNS brute forcing. Even better, we can uncover hidden infrastructure with brute forcing. The harvester-d example.com-c all-t-f brute-results. -c all enables brute force mode. T protested DNS resolution checks. This can expose development systems, admin portals, legacy servers that were forgotten. Forgotten does not mean secure. Prioritizing findings. Once we've collected intel, we sort it by risk. Emails may indicate phishing targets. Subdomains may expose old systems. DNS results may reveal the internal network layout. Then, testers can validate exposure using tools like Nmap, HTTP probes, and Shodan. The harvester is the first step of a penetration test, identifying where to look next. Wrap up. Today we used the harvester on OSINT Recon to gather emails, subdomains, hidden DNS records, attack surface indicators. All of this was done using the ultimate USB v2.1 running Kali Linux in a live environment. If you found value in this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Tell us what OSINT tools you want to see next, or how you would use the harvester in your own ethical hacking workflow. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to keep creating cybersecurity content like this. And if you want to take your skills to the next level, check out our complete lineup of professional multi-boot USBs at bootableusbs.com. This includes the ultimate USB v2.1, the same environment we used in today's demo. You can also support the channel directly by becoming a member today. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep hacking ethically.